Computer-based IELTS prediction and smart strategies. Date: 9 October 2025, IDP and British Council. Writing: task predictions and strategies. Writing success tips for 9 October CBT exam. Always paraphrase the question in your introduction. Keep paragraphs well-structured: idea, explanation, example. Use linking devices naturally. Moreover, on the other hand, hence. Manage time. Task 2 is worth more marks, so spend 40 minutes on it. Pin: academic task 1 predictions. Pie chart: expenditure distribution. Line graph: economic population growth trends. Mix chart: bar plus table. Natural process: water cycle, animal growth. Pin: academic task 2 high probability topics. 1. Some people say the government should fund public libraries, while others believe they are no longer necessary. Discuss both views and give your opinion. 2. In many countries, young people move from rural areas to cities. Why is this happening? What problems does it cause? 3. Some people think international sporting events are important for world peace. To what extent do you agree or disagree? 4. Many parents these days pressure their children to succeed academically. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this? 5. Some people think modern technology is making people less sociable. Do you agree or disagree? Pin: general training letter predictions. Writing to a friend inviting them to a cultural festival. Complaint about poor service at a hotel or restaurant. Letter to HR requesting flexible work hours. Letter of advice to a younger cousin about studies. Letter asking for details before attending a course. Goal: get Band 9 essay samples. Reading: themes and realistic topics. Reading tips for 9 October. Skim for main ideas, scan for details. Use elimination for true, false, not given. Don't get stuck on one answer, move on and return later. Pin: likely academic reading passages based on past exams. 1. The History of Aviation, Wright Brothers and Modern Air Travel. 2. The Rise of Artificial Intelligence in Business. 3. Animal Migration Patterns Across Continents. 4. The Discovery of Penicillin and Its Impact. 5. Urban Transport Systems, Metro and High-Speed Rail. 6. The Role of Advertising in Consumer Behavior. 7. Marine Life Conservation and Coral Reefs. Pin: general training reading themes. Workplace safety guidelines. Housing rental agreements and ads. Travel insurance policies. Job application instructions. Community event notices. Goal: practice smartly with feedback. IELTS ONESTOP CBT.com. Listening: likely patterns. Listening tips for 9 October. Predict possible answers from context before audio plays. Pay attention to intonation. Correct answers are often stressed. Revise spelling of common academic terms. Pin: expected format. Section 1. Booking inquiry, hotel, travel service. Section 2. Local facility introduction, map, MCQs. Section 3. Student project discussion, matching, short notes. Section 4. Lecture on science or history, note completion. Goal: free listening tests. IELTS ONESTOP CBT. Speaking, latest cue cards and tips. Speaking tips for 9 October. Use storytelling plus personal touch in Part 2. For Part 3, expand with reason, example, mini conclusion. Add idioms like break the ice, a blessing in disguise, naturally. Pin likely cue cards, latest updates. Describe a person in your family you admire the most. Describe a piece of technology you often use. Describe an outdoor activity you enjoy. Describe a time you solved a problem cleverly. Describe a place you visited that was crowded. Describe an object you lost and later found. Describe an article of clothing you like wearing. Describe a time you waited for something special. Pin. GT focus in speaking. Part 1 often includes daily life, shopping, hometown, and celebrations. Part 2 may involve experiences, workplace, invitations, complaints. Goal: Band 9 speaking samples. Key final strategies for 9 October IELTS. Writing: plan before writing, avoid repetition of words. Reading: focus on key words, not full sentences. Listening: watch out for synonyms and number-based traps. Speaking: stay confident and natural, avoid memorized answers. Free resources to boost your score. Updated cue card PDF. Essay and vocabulary visit site. CBT mock tests, IELTS ONESTOP CBT. Band 7 Plus speaking answers, YouTube. Daily study tips, Telegram. Join the IELTS OneStop community. Telegram group, join here. Smart resources, IELTSOneStop.com. Free CBT practice, IELTSOneStopCBT.com. All the best for 9 October IELTS exam. Believe in yourself, stay calm, and you'll shine.